We're here at the One-to-One Mining Investment Conference in New York. Can you give us an introduction to Midas Gold for those who haven't heard your story?
Sure. Midas Gold is an advanced development stage company with a large gold project in Idaho in the United States. And we're in the process of completing a feasibility study, should be done at the end of this year, and permitting, which should be done by the end of next year. It's for a mine that will produce about 340,000 ounces of gold a year, so very large scale.
So talk to us further about your strategy and core focus of the company going forward.
Yeah, definitely it's permitting focused, working your way through. I mean, the advantage of the US is you don't have any geopolitical risk. The disadvantage is you have, a very complex, time-consuming permitting process, and, that's essentially the prime focus of working through that, over the rest of this year and next year.
So what do you think is unique and differentiates this project?
It's scale, grade, low cost. It'll be about say 350,000 ounces a year. So that's be this within the fifth or sixth largest gold mine in the United States, one of only 19 in the first world, and costs all-in sustaining costs around $600 an ounce based on our pre-feasibility study. So large scale, low cost, good place.
So apart from those, what are the key messages you're trying to get across to investors here at One-to-One?
Just value. The development. Everybody's seen those charts of the life cycle of a mining share, and we're at the bottom of the trough that inevitably development companies that are in the middle of permitting end up in. But the value's there. It's a very robust project with good economics in a good place, and the value's way down compared to where it has been. And that's typical, unfortunately, at this stage. So, remind people of value. Value always counts, and big, high-quality projects are rare.
So, talk to us a little bit about the market. Do you think it's a good time in the cycle for investors to be buying?
Well, I think the value's there. I mean, always the challenge is when does it turn? So does it go down lower? I mean, who knows? That's hard to guess. But there's a lot of value in the sector. It's unloved, unliked, ignored. Those are always the good times to get in, is when nobody wants it. And buying at the top is always a bad idea. Go back to that old maxim of, buy low and sell high. And everything's low at the moment.
And how's the One-to-One conference been for you over the last day and a half?
It's been good, been steady. We've had sort of a dozen meetings yesterday and today, productive, so worthwhile.
Well, thank you very much. Great to hear about Midas.
Great, thanks so much.